Hello YouTube, this is Automotive with Adam Levine. I'll be resetting the all maintenance light on the 2015 Q50 Infiniti. What you want to do is turn the car to the on position. You will be going to your radio right here. Alright. Wait till it load up. Alright, you want to press the settings button. Then press the meter button. All right. You see how it says maintenance? Press the maintenance button. All right. You press all filter. Reset. Go back. Press tires. Reset. Go back. Other. Reset. And you're done. All maintenance light has been reset. Alrighty. Thank you. Subscribe to the page.